Hello, my dear students. Previously, what we did was using the number line here, we add or subtract the integers. Let me do a very quick example to remind you. The first question here, how we did it, we find out the first number, 3 here first, and then from there, either adding or subtracting, in this case, subtraction by 7, you go to the left for subtraction. 7 times, 7 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is -4. That's what we did previously. Now, what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna add or subtract the integers as many times as the question requires for it. So, let's start with this one. Start with -4, not that one, right? -4, we're gonna go here and then subtract 6, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't move the pencil yet because you have to add, go to the right side, 2 more. 1, 2. So the answer is -8. Now look at the next example. Start with green color. Start with -9. -9 is right here. And then add 3. 1, 2, 3. And then subtract 1. So you're going to go this way. And then add 5. So you're going to go that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is it. The answer is -2. Now let's look at this complicated question here. Start with -4. -4 is right here. And then add 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then subtract 2. 1, 2. And then add 3. 1, 2, 3. So, +3 is the answer here. Now, this is the last example. I'm going to clear everything. Let's start with 6. 6 is right here. And then we're going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to change the color here. And then we're going to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then subtract 7. Subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then subtract 2. A lot of subtraction. 1, 2. I am here. And then the last +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is -1. You know what I'm gonna say. Let's practice.